Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, Porsche. These companies are known for producing some of the world's best supercars. A dream that we all probably have to drive. And today, that dream comes true. I'm here at Las Vegas, Nevada, at the exotic racing track, where anyone can drive a supercar. And this is my experience.
Heck yeah, let's do this.
Go and introduce yourself.
I'm the one and only Blink in the Fallen. And in this video, we're going to be racing this nice, expensive Ferrari.
Yes. For how many laps today?
I believe 5 laps today.
That is correct. All right. So do you want to use the paddles or go auto?
Let's do auto first. You got to start off somewhere, right?
Absolutely. So the way you want to turn the wheel, pretend you're driving a big old truck. Smooth inputs. You don't want to be
That is what I do.
Exactly.
I drive the big old Schwab trucks, you guys.
So just be smooth with those hands. You'll get along with this car just fine.
All right.
She loves what's known as trail braking racing. All this means she loves when you ride the brake on the entry of the turn.
Okay.
It keeps the weight on the nose, helps those front tires have some grip. Eyes, just like driving that truck, turn the head, look where you want to go. Look where you want to go
Keep an eye on the numbers,
where you're
right?
going, right? And if we catch any slower cars, just wait for hazards. Okay. So with your foot on the brake, we'll put the car in drive by pulling the right pedal towards you. Now you're essentially in drive. Let's go straight ahead.
I'll take a good feel for that. Gas pedal.
You can move your hands around in the pitch. You
Oh, right.
Feel free to try.
That way?
Feel free to try the brake a couple times, get accustomed to it.
Oh, okay. Very sensitive. Makes sense. All right.
Let's pull up to the right. Let's pull up to the blue cones. Hang tight here. We're just gonna let that Porsche that's entering give us a little bit of a gap here. You're clear, boss. Straight on. To the right. Yep, to the right.
Oh, okay.
And now just aim for that far green cone. Power. That's known as a turning cone. Once you get there, steer to the 2 on the inside, little power. Good. Give it all she's got now. Full power. Pedal to the metal.
All right, now we're going places. Only 100. Come on, we gotta do better, man.
Brake directly to the turning cone.
Huh?
And now steer to the apex. Maintain the speed with a little power. Flip the apex. Now increase out to that.
Oh, there we go. And then we step on it to there. And then we hit another brake.
Good. Straight to that turn in.
You gotta take it slow, you know?
Now look right and turn.
And then turn. Oh, wow, that cone really does take your attention.
Right side, power. Far right. And this will set us up for the left. Little power. Even more power. Once you go over this hill, give it all she's got.
Woo!
Good.
This is moving.
Brake to the outer. Then steer to the inner 2. Good. Get right next to them. Then float wide with power. Then work back to the right.
Wide with power.
Yeah. Right side again. The right side, boss.
Oh, right
Then
side.
hang left.
Hang left.
Straight line.
Good.
Out there first. Turn in. Steady power. Tighter. Increase it to the outside. All she's got.
Wow, this is definitely worth all the money I'm paying for it.
Good. Braking. A little harder. Turn with the brake. Now ease off.
Brake.
Keep the speed steady. And now accelerate to the outside edge. Full power.
Full power all the way.
Keep going.
Maximum power. And then we gotta slow back down a little
Just a
bit.
little more brake. Now turn, ease off. Stay far right here, and power on the right side. A
Right
light
side?
brake. Yep. Now maintain the speed left. Once you're over the second hill, give it all she's got.
Let me kill it. Power. Woohoo!
Brake to the outer. Look to the inner
outer.
tube.
Oh wow, that's really.
Squeeze power, and work back to the right of the track. Full power.
Track. Power.
A touch of brake. Left, straight down the middle, accelerate.
Oh, that's I can't believe
Touch
that.
your turning cone there, and then steer to the apex. Steady power. Good. Aim for the exit cone on the left. Give it all
Exit
you
cone
got.
on the left and all it's got.
Yep. Go get it all the
We're
way
flying
forward.
down this track. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hey, I can't afford one, but sure, damn well can fucking rent one.
Absolutely. Keep braking and turn in. Ease
Turn
off.
in.
Hug the inside.
Hug the inside.
Hug it. Smooth to full out wide. Full power.
Pull out. Power.
Keep going. And brake. More brake and turn. A little too fast this way. And power to the right
Power
side.
to the right side.
A touch of
Wow.
brake. Now maintain the speed steady to the second hill.
This is definitely a lot harder to commentate
And
versus
forward.
playing video games, you know?
Braking. Because you're actually getting the G-force.
Yeah.
Steady
That's
to the
right.
inner.
So
Squeeze power. Lord. All the way down, back to the right of the track.
Oh no, Jim. Right of the track.
Light brake left. Straight down the middle. Lord. Brake straight ahead. Ease off, maintain the speed. Tighter. Now increase to the outside edge. There you go. All she's got.
Come on. I know you've got more than this. I believe in you, Ferrari. Pisting vigore.
Braking.
You gotta
A little
make
more
slow
brake
up.
and turn in.
Turn in.
A little tighter. Power to the outside. Go get it.
Out to the outside. Then we're gonna go get everything.
Keep taking.
For all she's got.
Brake. Firm brake. Turn with the brake. Ease off. Right side, then power.
Right side, then power.
A touch of brake. Now maintain the
Just a
speed.
tad. Like a light seasoning, no?
You
For
got
this
it.
Italian pasta. Woo-hoo.
Braking. Good. A light brake. Left turn. Straight ahead. Good. Brake lightly. Wait for the hazard lights, but get a little closer. Tighter. Good. Wait for the hazard lights to pass, but get closer. Full power.
Come on.
Keep going. Keep going.
Where do you think you're going? I will not be beat.
Brake firmly.
Firm.
A little harder. Turn now. Turn in.
Turn
Hug
in.
that inside. Hug it. Power. Full power. Give it all she's got.
Come on.
Keep going. Keep going. Brake firmly. Harder still. We're going to pass on the right. Stay to the right.
Pass on the right? Okay.
Right side.
Look at that. We're already winning the race that was
Left.
not existing.
Out to the middle. Give it.
To the middle. And then back to
Brake.
the left.
Braking. And that was our last lap. Here on the left.
Oh, blue cone.
You're good. Yep. Right over here.
Oh, okay. Wow. That was intense. We're definitely going to go for round 2 in a Huracan. That's a Lambo if you don't know. Passed you. Sorry. You just didn't have it. You just didn't have it. Wow. Incredible.
Straight ahead. And then we go all the way around the pits. Fast car hump.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I might need a couple extra laps on that other car.
For sure.
We're gonna go put this back in the garage until I feel like driving it someday.
Got it. There's your boys.
And that is how you win a race against somebody that didn't win a race. But you're on a racetrack, so they had to know.
Right in here. See the red bar on the ground? Try and stop the front left tire with that. Once you're there, pull both of the shifters. That'll put this car in neutral. Both shifters. Now you're in neutral.
That's neutral.
The easiest way to show how much fun you had, hold your hand out like this.
Let me see. That was awesome.
To the left here, straight line turn, accelerate. Out to the green, off the throttle, look to the right. Kick us into that green cone, right to the right. Out to the left side, accelerate, power. Full power.
Oh yeah, this thing's got power. Woo!
Straight ahead, brake power, that's the one. Stay on the left, off the brakes, down to the green, right to the right.
Just
Tighter. Out to the far cone, power. Full power. Stay on the left side. Brakes on the left, brake hard, down to the right, under the green. Look off that wall, back to the right side, accelerate. brakes to the right, turn more, out to the left, accelerate. Out to the left, stay on the left. Brake hard, stay on the brakes, look to the right, off the brakes, down to the green, tight to the right, turn tighter, out to that green cone up top, accelerate, power, there it is, stay on that power. Brake hard on the side, brake harder, look to the right, turn, no brakes, look up that hill, back to the right, accelerate, back to the right, touch the brakes, off the brakes to the green, tight to the left, let it out to the right, let it out, there we go, power, power, brakes on the left side, brake hard, all the way to the right, tight to the green, out to the middle, smooth power, accelerate, back to the right side, on the power, off the throttle, turn more, accelerate straight, brakes out to the green, brake hard, all the way to the right, turn more, out to the left side, accelerate, full power, on the left, brake hard, on the left, brake hard, off the brakes, down to the green, tight to the right, turn tighter, out to the far brake cone, stay on the left, full power, brakes on the left side, brake harder, turn to the right, no brakes, look up that hill, back to the right side, back to the left, nice and smooth brakes, off the brakes to the left, tight to the green, let it out to the right, let it out, power, brakes, out to the green cone, brake hard, all the way to the right, to the right, out to the middle, accelerate, back to the right side, full power, off the bottom to the left, accelerate straight, brake hard, off the brakes, all the way to the right, tight, now accelerate out to the left, full power, off the left side, stay on the left, brake hard on the left side, brake hard, off the brakes, down to the green, tight, right, tighter, out to the far green cone, smooth power, accelerate, full power, stay on the left, brakes on the left side, brake harder, look to the right, turn more, up to the right side, smooth power, back to the right, brakes, off, brakes to the green, tight to the left, let it out to the right, let it out, smooth power, back to the left side, brakes up, brakes, off, brakes, all the way to the right, get in tight to that green cone, let it out to the middle, accelerate, back to the right side, off the top to the left, accelerate, brake, accelerate, brakes out to the green, off the brakes, all the way to the right, turn tighter, out to the left, accelerate, full power, stay on the left. Brake hard down the left side, brake hard, look to the right, off the brakes, down to the green, tighter to the right, out to the left, brake hard, accelerate, full power. Brakes on the left side, brake hard, look to the right, turn more, off to the right side, accelerate, power. Off the brakes to the left, tight to the green, out to the right, there we go. Power, brakes on the left side, pull it all down, on the left side, that's 5 laps.
Thank you.
I like the car.
You definitely had it. Definitely.
Oh yeah, big sharper. Straight ahead along the white wall. Off and around to the second one.
Right.
Put it right here. We're down toward the green Lamborghini. We're right before the green Lamborghini. Stop it. Stop it. When you're done here, Abraham, anything else with a take time left to grip everything safe? So hold on to the helmet. Hold on to that as well. All right? Any questions?